You won't believe these real animals exist. Stay until the end for the wildest one. The first 10 seconds hit like a lightning strike. A face you've never seen before that looks like it crawled out of a sci-fi movie. I pop up on screen, eyes wide, because that's exactly how I felt the first time I saw some of these creatures. This video is not just a list. It's a roller coaster of nature's strangest, and I promise every animal will make you gasp, giggle, and worry a little for our planet. For each one, I'll give you where it lives. Stay with me to the end because the last ones will hit you hardest. If you love nature and insane facts, smash that like button and hit subscribe, because we do deep dives like this every week. Let's dive in. Meet the axolotl, the smiling salamander, permanent goofy grin, but don't let the face fool you. Native to Mexico's Lake Xochimilco, this amphibian famously keeps its juvenile form into adulthood. That means it looks like a baby, forever gilled frills and all. Scientists call this neoteny, and it's only the start of why the axolotl is a superstar. What really makes the axolotl mind-blowing is its regenerative ability. Whole limbs, parts of the heart, even sections of the brain can regrow perfectly. Imagine losing an arm and growing a new one, and aquariums stick around. The next animal looks like it came straight out of a medieval monster bestiary, but it's a mammal. Pangolins look like an anteater got wrapped in armor, scales from head to tail curled into a perfect ball when threatened. They're unique, the only mammals covered in true keratin scales. When danger approaches, they don't run. They become a spiky fortress. That defense works against predators. Pangolins feed on ants and termites, and they have an almost unreal ability to squeeze into termite mounds. Their scales are harvested for traditional medicine and fashion. Next up, an adorable parrot that can't fly but has one of the sweetest conservation stories you'll hear. The kakapo looks like a fluffy owl, and a parrot had a quiet baby, a big parrot, heavy, nocturnal, that can't fly, native to New Zealand. Kakapos evolved with few predators, so they lost the ability to fly and developed ground-based habits. They're herbivores, they roam at night, and they have a charismatic, clumsy charm. Up next, the shoebill. The shoebill looks like a prehistoric sculpture. Huge, steel gray, with a massive shoe-shaped bill that can snatch prey with terrifying speed. Found in East African swamps, this bird stands silently like a statue, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Its stare is legendary. It's like being judged by evolution itself. Shoebills hunt fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles with a strike that's both precise and brutal. They stand motionless, then lunge. Their large bill helps them scoop, grab, and crush slippery prey in murky waters. The shoebill is a walking reminder that nature still creates monsters of beauty if we let its habitats survive. Up next, the star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole looks like someone glued a starfish to a mole's face. 22 pink, fleshy tentacles ring their nose, and they use it like lightning-fast fingers. Living in moist soil and wetlands of North America, this mole hunts mostly underground, navigating and finding food with an organ that's basically tactile supersensing. That nose can detect and identify prey faster than almost any other mammal, in milliseconds. When the mole touches something, neurons fire at insane speeds to decide if it's food. It's a tactile data center wired for rapid decision-making in darkness. Those tentacles are loaded with sensory receptors called Eimer's organs. The star-nosed mole is built for efficiency. Dig, touch, eat, repeat, with remarkable speed. Close-up of star-nose probing soil, slow-motion feeding, tunnel cross-section. Up next, the tuatara. The tuatara is not a lizard, though it looks like one. It's the last survivor of an ancient reptile line that diverged 250 million years ago. Endemic to New Zealand, tuataras carry ancient anatomy, unique teeth, and an evolutionary history like a museum plaque come to life. One of the weirdest features is the parietal or third eye on the top of their head, thought to help regulate circadian rhythms and hormone cycles. Their jaws and skull structure differ from modern lizards, reflecting a lineage that split deep in reptile history. Up next, glass frog. Glass frogs are tiny, translucent frogs. They let you peek at their beating hearts and internal organs through their skin. It's like nature built them with a window. Found in Central and South American rainforests, their see-through bellies help them blend against leaves and avoid predators from below. Perfect camouflage for sitting on foliage overhanging streams. When a predator looks up, the frog's outline dissolves. It's both beautiful and unsettling. You can literally observe biology in motion. Their fragile beauty is also a fragile ecological signal. These frogs show how evolution crafts subtle defenses and why intact forests matter. Up next, the red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish looks like a fish that tried to walk onto land and never quite gave up. Bright red lips, flattened body, and the habit of walking on the seafloor using its fins. Found around the Galapagos and near Peru, it prowls the bottom more than it swims. Those lips may help in mating or recognition. Its odd walk helps search crevices for crab snacks. Up next, the eye-eye. The eye-eye is a lemur that looks like a cross between a gremlin and a raccoon with giant eyes, bat-like ears, and one spooky, elongated middle finger used for percussive foraging. Native to Madagascar, it taps to locate hollows, chews a hole, then fishes out grubs with surgical precision. A small tool user adapted to a unique niche. The eye-eye is both eerie and brilliant, a master of stealthy nighttime engineering. Up next, the vaquita. The vaquita is a tiny porpoise with shy face and dark eye rings, possibly the most endangered marine mammal on Earth. Found only in the northern Gulf of California, fewer than a few dozen remain, dying in illegal gill nets set for other species. Small, reclusive, their decline has been tragically fast. If these blew your mind, drop a comment with the weirdest one and hit subscribe for more.